Your Android phone is hiding powerful features that most people never use. They can save you time, improve your privacy, and make your phone much smarter, all without installing a single app. Today, I'll show you 11 hidden Android features you should start using right now. Let's begin. Let's start with one of my favorite features, split screen. Open the Recent Apps screen, then tap the app icon above the app you want to use. Select Open in split screen view. Now choose another app from your recent apps or app drawer. Both apps will run on the screen at the same time. This is perfect for watching a tutorial while taking notes, chatting while browsing the internet, or comparing two documents without switching back and forth between apps. Did you know your phone already includes a professional screen recorder? Swipe down twice to open the quick panel, then tap Screen Recorder. If you don't see it, tap the Edit button and find the screen recording icon, then add it to your quick settings. Then you can record tutorials, gameplay, app demonstrations, or anything happening on your screen without downloading another app. It's simple, smooth, and produces high-quality recordings. Here's a feature many people don't use. Open Settings, then tap Modes and Routines. You can create automatic actions for different situations. For example, when you arrive home, your phone can automatically connect to Wi-Fi, lower the screen brightness, and turn on Do Not Disturb at bedtime. These smart automations save time and make your phone work for you, instead of requiring manual changes every day. If you often charge your phone overnight, this next feature is worth enabling. Open Settings, tap Battery, then Battery Protection. Turn it on and choose the protection option that best fits your needs. This feature helps reduce the amount of time your battery stays fully charged, which can support long-term battery health and help your battery last longer over time. If someone asks to borrow your phone, you don't have to worry about them opening other apps. Open Settings, then search App PIN, then enable PIN app if it's available on your device. Next, open the app you want to share. Go to the Recent Apps screen, tap the app icon, and choose PIN this app. Now that person can use only the selected app on your phone until you unlock it. It's pretty nice features. Have you ever accidentally dismissed an important notification? Don't worry, simply open Settings, tap Notifications, then tap Advanced Settings and enable notification history if it's available. From now on, your phone keeps a record of recent notifications, making it easy to recover messages or alerts that you accidentally swiped away. That's really cool. Here's a very cool shortcut you'll probably use every day. Open Settings, then tap Advanced Features and tap Slide Button option and tap Double Press, then choose Camera option. Now simply press the side key twice to instantly open the camera, even when the screen is locked. This makes it much easier to capture unexpected moments before they're gone. Cool. The best privacy features on many Android phones is Secure Folder. Open Settings, tap Security and Privacy, then scroll little bit and tap More Security option, then tap here Secure Folder, and complete the setup. You can store private photos, videos, documents, and apps inside a protected space secured with your fingerprint or password. It's an excellent way to keep sensitive information separate from the rest of your phone. Before we jump into the next, leave a comment your favorite features. If you losing your phone can be stressful, but this feature can help. Open Settings, tap Security and Privacy, then tap Find My Device, and make sure it's enabled. If your phone is ever lost, you can locate it, make it ring, lock it remotely, or erase your personal data if necessary. It's one of the most important security features you should turn on. Your phone includes a built-in optimization tool that many users forget about. Open Settings, then Device Care. Tap Optimize Now to check memory usage, battery status, storage, and background processes. Running this tool regularly can help keep your phone organized and maintain smooth performance without installing cleaning apps from the Play Store. Those 11 hidden Android features that can help you get more from your phone every day. Depending on your software version, some features may appear in slightly different locations, but most are already built into your device. Try them out and see which ones become part of your daily routine. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple Android tips and hidden features. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.